Hey guys, I'm Tasha and welcome to FabFitFun's YouTube channel. We are about to get started with your customized close-up. So I'm gonna be showing you a close-up look at some of the products that you can choose from for your spring box. Before I get started, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment. First up, we have two different sunglass options. They come all the way from QUAY, Australia, the best brand for your oversized chic. I almost just poked myself in the eyeball. These are going to be the Vivienne frames in black smoke. They have a non-mirrored lens, metal frames. They've got this double bridge on the nose and also your typical the little nose pads that are adjustable so you can make sure that they're gonna fit your face. They are oversized. I feel like you gotta go either really, really big with your sunglasses or really, really small. So these are gonna be your bigger variety. And they're just that really nice glam aviator. These are giving me some like Top Gun vibes, like if Tom Cruise took on Nicole Kidman's accent and her looks, because like, come on, Nicole Kidman, oh. Everybody knows that Australians are the hottest. Put another shrimp on the bobby. They could put a shrimp on my bobby. Don't use that. So these are the Vivienne frames you can choose from for your spring box. Obsessed. Do we like? Comment and tell me if you like these. These are the My Girl frames in black smoke. Again, they're non-mirrored. They've got a cool retro vibe. It's like an oversized cat eye. They have plastic frames and then they've got this really, really nice metal detailing across the top. How do I look? I feel like I look like a movie star, definitely. If you're going to like an event or something and you want a little bit more of a glam look, it just really takes you back. Hollywood glam, the 20s, star. So moving on to another product that we have for you to choose from. The Sunnylife Lovers picnic set in Malibu. Really, really cute. First of all, loving this ombre look. Oh, and this is another Australian brand all the way from down under. Adorable. They just really get it over there. So inside we have, whoop-bam, a stainless steel silverware set. And then you have a set of 2 plastic plates. So this is perfect for when you're going on your picnics with your new hot Australian lover. Or you know what, this is 2019, you could take yourself on a date. And you know what, I am gonna eat 2 plates of food on a date by myself. Yes, I will. And also this little travel case is really, really nice. I don't know that I would really do that, but you could just, you know, I'm picturing Liam Hemsworth and Miley Cyrus with you in Malibu having their picnic. Yes? Can I join? Liam, Miley? If you're someone who really likes your FabFitFun box to make you feel like you have just stepped into the season, this is a product that you're gonna wanna pick for your box, because what could be more spring than like a springtime picnic? I don't know, nothing. All right, so the next product we have for you guys in this set of customized choices is going to be the Korres Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. It's really, really nice. It's like a facial in a jar. Facials are like $100+ and you're getting this in the FabFitFun box for less than that if you choose it. It has a souffle-like texture, which is just like, that just is fancy, and I like that. You're gonna be obsessed with this. Feels really nice. Oh my gosh, my hand. It's like a 5-year-old. Korres is the most amazing brand. It was born out of a Greek apothecary. Like Hercules himself made this for you. So you're just gonna put this on at night before you go to sleep, and the formula has hyaluronic acid, wild rose oil, turmeric, I don't remember what else, vitamin C. The formula has wild rose oil, it has vitamin C, it has turmeric, it has hyaluronic acid. I got them all. You're gonna wanna glow to sleep every single night and every single day. You're gonna wanna nap a lot, I'm just gonna tell you. Korres fragrances are phthalate free, they're paraben free, they have none of that nasty, icky toxins. You gotta get this one. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure that you're picking your customization options by February 13th. The next day is Valentine's Day. Your heart is gonna be broken if you forget to pick your favorites and you don't get exactly what you want in your FabFitFun Spring Box. I'm Tasha. Woo. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next. Oh, and I'll see you next time.